Hey y'all, it's Nisha and welcome to today's video. Your girl got her hands on that new from Chocolate Kinks Kurls. I have the Vian, I think I said it right because I was butchering the pronunciation, but this is the newest release from Chocolate Kinks Kurls, the Vian Cocoa Creme and Strawberry Clay Wash. Now I warned y'all about this new coming out in my natural hair new releases video where I told y'all about tons of things that had recently come out or were coming out in like the natural hair realm as far as like products and tools and different things like that. So I knew this was coming out, so I was just waiting for it to drop and I went ahead and got my hands on it. I think I also mentioned that in my most recent haul video. I was not supposed to be doing a haul, but you know, it is what it is. But if you are interested in watching those two videos, the what's new in natural hair and also my haul video, I'll go ahead and link them both up in the cards for you and also down in the description box just in case you want to check them out. But here, we have it here. We are ready. I was waiting. But of course, before we get into this review and my thoughts, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell. I post new videos twice a week, so if you're subscribed, you didn't hit that notification bell, then you won't miss another upload from me. My hair is already like nice and damp. We got it sectioned off, so let's just go ahead and jump into this review. This actually is basically the baby of my two favorite clay washes from Chocolate Kinks Kurls, the Rhassoul Clay Wash and then the Read Clay and Hibiscus Clay Washes. Those two are my absolute favorite. They're all bomb. I have not used a clay wash from them that I do not like, but those two are just, they up there for me, and this is the baby. Down here at the bottom, it says it detoxes, conditions, it's great for length retention and scalp health. As far as the claims, it says our Vian Cocoa Creme and Strawberry Clay Wash combines the power of Rhassoul Clay, Read Clay, Shikakai, and Aretha, leaving you with hair that is gently detox, cleanse, condition, strengthen, as well as a nourished scalp. Your wash day will definitely be elevated. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'll get into like the ingredients as I'm applying this to my hair, but let's just go ahead and show y'all the texture. It looks very similar to the Read Clay and Hibiscus. I wonder if it smells like strawberries. I get a whiff of strawberries. I think it definitely smells like the Read Clay and Hibiscus, which I can't remember if that's supposed to smell like strawberries or something. It's supposed to smell like chocolate covered strawberries, I think. But we're gonna go ahead and apply this to my hair. My hair is already damp. I did just hop in the shower real quick and just stick my whole head underwater. Also, if you see any bits and pieces, it's just remnants of my gel that I use, which I did use the Dew B-Girl Custard. So if y'all have not checked out that video, go ahead and check it out now. Linked in the cards, also in the description box. Okay, we're going to take this first section. Probably should have brought my spray bottle because my hair is already starting to dry up a little bit. This is what the texture looks like, nice and creamy. And it feels very similar to all of her other clay washes. This one is more on the thick side of her clay washes, which is kind of like her normal consistency. She has come out with a few clay washes, like it was like the Coral Clay Wash. I forget the exact full name, but the Coral Clay and the Black Terra Clay and Maki Berry ones. Those to me were not as thick as her other clay washes, and I believe those two are some of the most recent ones that she's come out with before this one. But this one has gone back to the like textures of the OGs, which makes sense since this is kind of like a combination of the OGs. Alright y'all, this already has my curls popping. As y'all can see, I am just going to add more of this to my roots and to my scalp. You know, it promotes scalp health, so we want to make sure that we're getting this on our scalp. But I'm just going to continue to apply this throughout the rest of my hair, and then we'll be back once we're all done. The ingredients include water infused with hibiscus, marshmallow root, Rhassoul clay, red clay, behydramonium methyl sulfate, cetearyl alcohol, beetroot, aretha shikakai, betaine hydrosis, glycerin, betaine hydrosis, don't know what those are, strawberry extract, cocoa butter, shea butter, grapeseed oil, a few other ingredients that I don't know, and also fragrance. As far as the directions, it says for a quick but powerful cleanse, apply the Vian cocoa creme and strawberry clay wash to wet hair. For even distribution, apply in sections. Gently massage clay into scalp and smooth onto hair strands. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. If you want a good old detox, apply to damp or dry hair. Allow clay to sit for 15 to 20 minutes with or without shower cap, rinsing thoroughly with warm water. We recommend deep conditioning afterward. Alright y'all, so I am done applying this Vian cocoa creme and strawberry clay wash. I had to make sure I got the right name throughout my hair. It went on very smoothly. It feels pretty moisturizing. It has great slip. The same properties that all Chocolate Kinks and Kurls clay washes have, which I love. Sometimes, especially when you have your like DIY clay washes or clay washes from other brands, they're not like conditioning and have a lot of slip at the same time. But this one does, which is what I love about these clay washes. But I'm going to let it sit for about 20 minutes or so, rinse it out. I already know my curls gonna be popping, but I'm gonna come back and show y'all what my curls are looking like and wrap up the video. All right, y'all, so I've washed out the clay from my hair. I need to go back and re-rinse the side just because even with my shower mirror, I still be missing places. So we need to go back and get the little pieces out of here. I got this side pretty well, but y'all look at how my curls are popping. Do you see this? Just gonna give y'all like a close-up of the curls. My curls look so good. Chocolate Kinks and Kurls never ever fails me, okay? If you have not picked this up already, you need to go ahead and get you some Vian cocoa creme and strawberry clay wash. You need to get your hands on it. I did buy two. I have this much left, so I used a pretty good amount. But I have probably like a use and a half, which is very typical of the 8 ounces for me. I have a lot of hair and I'm very heavy-handed, so. But I love this. It detoxified my hair. It got my curls popping. My hair is not stripped of all its moisture, but it's nice and clean. My hair just feels good. My curls are ready. I'm not doing a wash and go, but if I was doing a wash and go, this would be the great prep before a wash and go. This is literally the perfect combination of my two favorite clay washes. It's kind of like, and I'm about to get real like Atlanta on y'all. Well, maybe it's a southern thing. Y'all let me know. But it's like you want hot wings, but you also want lemon pepper wings. So you get the hot wings with the lemon pepper sprinkles. I feel like that's what this is. You combining the hot and the lemon pepper, the Rhassoul with the red clay, and it's just perfection. Okay, but yes, y'all, that is it for my review. I absolutely love this. Once I run out, I will definitely purchase this again because I love these clay washes so much, if y'all didn't know. If you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know, have you picked up this clay wash? What your thoughts are if you've already tried it. If you haven't tried it, are you excited? Just let me know down below in the comment section. But I am so thankful for each and every one of y'all watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.